A domain name system, DNS, is a fundamental part of the internet that translates human-friendly domain names, e.g., www.example.com, into IP addresses, e.g., 192.0.2.1, that computers use to identify each other on networks. For more tech interview materials, please go to our website at bowsy8.com. How DNS works, step by step. 1. User request. When you type the domain name, e.g., www.example.com, into your browser, the browser needs to find the corresponding IP address to access the website. 2. DNS query initiation. The request goes to a recursive DNS resolver, usually provided by your ISP or a public service like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. 3. Recursive query process. The resolver queries several DNS servers in sequence to find the IP address. This process involves root DNS server. The resolver first contacts the root server, which knows where to find top-level domain TLD servers, e.g., .com, .org. TLD DNS server. The TLD server points to the authoritative DNS server for the specific domain, example.com. Authoritative DNS server. This server holds the IP address for www.example.com and returns it to the resolver. 4. Returning the IP address. The recursive resolver returns the IP address to your browser. 5. Website loading. The browser uses the IP address to connect to the web server hosting the website and the page loads. 6. Caching. To speed up future requests, the resolver temporarily stores, caches, the IP address for the domain. Major components of DNS. 1. Domain names. Human-readable addresses, e.g., www.example.com. 2. IP addresses. Numerical addresses that computers use to identify each other, e.g., 93.184.216.34 for IPv4 or 2001:0DB8, 1 for IPv6. 3. DNS resolver, recursive resolver. A server that receives a DNS query from your device and performs the full lookup process on your behalf. 4. Root DNS servers. 13 logical root servers worldwide, e.g., a .root-servers net to root-servers.net. They direct the resolver to the correct TLD server. 5. TLD, top-level domain, servers. Servers managing domains ending with extensions like .com, .net, .org, or country codes like UK or .da. 6. Authoritative DNS servers. The final source of truth for a domain's IP address, maintained by domain owners or hosting providers. 7. DNS records. Different types of data stored in DNS, such as a record, maps a domain to an IPv4 address. Quad A record maps a domain to an IPv6 address. Name record, alias for another domain. MX record, mail server information. NS record, specifies authoritative name servers. 8. Caching. Temporarily stores DNS query results to reduce lookup time for frequently accessed sites. Thanks for watching. For more tech interview materials, please go to our website at bowsy8.com.